What if we told you that the secret to fighting devastating brain diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's could lie in taking out the trash? Welcome to our channel, INNO TRENDS Fact or Fiction. Our brains, like any well-used machine, produce waste. And just like we take out the trash, our brains have a built-in cleaning system, known as the glymphatic system, to flush away harmful toxins. However, this system slows down as we age, leading to a buildup of toxic proteins linked to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But there's good news! Scientists at the University of Rochester Medical Center have made a groundbreaking discovery. They've found a way to reboot this brain drain system in aging mice, potentially opening new doors to treating these debilitating diseases. Published in the journal Nature Aging, their research focuses on the cervical lymph vessels, tiny tubes in the neck that act like exit channels for the brain's waste disposal system. Imagine them as a network of tiny pumps called lymphangions, working together to push waste-laden fluid out of the brain and into the body's general waste removal system. The problem is that these pumps become sluggish with age, leading to a buildup of toxic proteins in the brain. The researchers, using advanced imaging techniques, observed that the flow of waste-carrying fluid was 63% slower in older mice compared to younger ones. But here's the exciting part. By administering a drug already used in humans, called prostaglandin F2A, the researchers were able to rejuvenate these sluggish pumps. This resulted in a significant increase in the flow of waste products out of the brains of older mice, effectively restoring the efficiency of their brain's cleaning system to a youthful level. While this research is still in its early stages and has only been conducted in mice so far, it offers a beacon of hope for millions affected by Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurological diseases. By targeting the brain's waste removal system, we may one day have a powerful new tool to combat these devastating conditions. This video is an excerpt from the information posted by News Medical Life Science on August 16, 2024, titled, "Scientists Find Way to Restore Brain's Self-Cleaning Function," whose link we left in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please share, click the like button, and subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of healthcare innovation.